This award is being conferred upon various illustrious sons of Odisha for their contribution to art, literature, creative work and social activities. A jury comprising eminent people has decided to felicitate Dr. Arvind Kumar Padhi, Shri Tapan Kumar Chand, Shri Purnachanda Panigrahi, Shri Sobhan Kumar with Odayapu Award and Shri Jitendra Mishra, Shri Sangaram Dhar with Odayapu Yuva Award. Now I call upon the dais our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, and Honorable Guest of Honor, Dr. A.K. Rath, to kindly felicitate the awardees. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a loud round of applause for them. After graduating from OUAT, he pursued his master's degree from PHU Varanasi and obtained his PhD degree from Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. He has got a master's degree in public administration from University of Birmingham in the United Kingdom. Dr. Padhi served mostly in the backward districts of Orissa and took keen interest in the holistic development of poor and weaker sections of society. He has served as collectors in the districts of Koraput, Nabarangpur, Angul, Jagat Singhapur and Jajpur. In all these districts, he worked most sincerely, earning a lot of respect and recognition from all sections of people. He also worked as director in agriculture and Panchayati Raj departments and acted proactively in policy making as well as implementation of many innovative schemes. As RDC of Cuttack Division, he performed very assiduously in coordinating and supervising many activities, including successful management of natural disasters like Fairlin and Hudhud that earned global recognition to Odisha state. Pinnacle of Dr. Padhi's career so far has been the reforms he brought about in the 12th century shrine of Sri Jagannath Puri. He successfully managed 3 card festivals consecutively between 2012 to 2014 and coordinated the Navakalibara festival in 2015 on culture and tourism promotion aspects as secretary of the department. His flair for promotion of Odia culture is very well known. He has been felicitated by many socio-cultural organizations for his contributions in literary and administrative domain. He has been awarded at the national level by Indian Red Cross Society for outstanding contribution for promotion of humanitarian services in 2006-2007. Dr. Padhi has been a part of many study missions abroad. He was a member of the technical support group of the Planning Commission that prepared guidelines of District Agricultural Plan. He is married to Usha Padhi, an IS officer of Orissa cadre belonging to his batch and is blessed with a son, Praise. Now I request Dr. Arun Kumar Dutt to felicitate Dr. Padhi with a flower bouquet. I would now request Shri Dharmendra Pradhan to felicitate our awardee with the award. I would now request Shri Dharmendra Pradhan to felicitate with Angvastram.